Pakistan, a country in the heart of Asia that is often in the news for wrong reasons. The further one is, the higher the tendency of one's missing the essence of this mysteriously beautiful land. What is considered to be an unsafe, radicalized and war-stricken country, in reality has a culture that promotes peace, spirituality and dedication towards one's religion. While practicing one's spirituality or religion is healthy and cathartic, an extreme form of this practice is extraordinarily prevalent in Pakistan. This form is exorcism. Exorcism is the religious or spiritual practice of evicting demons or other spiritual entities from a person believed to be possessed. Pakistan's diversity in terms of history, religion and culture is phenomenal. An aspect of this variety is prominent through a large number of Sufi shrines that are spread all over the country.
My daughter was on bed for a year and a half. I used to take water from the shrine and shower on her. She's fine now. I believe in this saint. I'm visiting the shrine since past 40 years.
Thursdays are colourful and celebrate dhamaal, dancing to drum beats. But not everything is colourful about these shrines. There is a dark and often taboo side to them. Exorcism is the dark side that attracts several pilgrims to these shrines. Hysteria, exaggerated or uncontrollable emotion or excitement, especially among a group of people. Fanaticism, a person filled with excessive and single-minded zeal, especially for an extreme religious or political cause. Mania, mental illness marked by periods of great excitement, euphoria, delusions, and overactivity. Hysteria, fanaticism, and mania are just small examples of mental illness. An exorcism is definitely not the prescribed way forward.
There is a lack of education in people. They do not know from where to treat their disease. When such condition appears, they visit self-proclaimed exorcists, and they do not even think about visiting doctor.
In Pakistan, where mental illness is often attached with stigma and the state spends little on health, many see shrines as an appealing and often affordable option for spiritual healing. Patients with mental ailments are entrusted in the hands of so-called spiritual healers and saints, often not the recommended treatment plan for such cases. These expert self-proclaimed exorcists claim to have godly powers that enable them to help people solve problems. In modern 2018, where mental health is becoming widely recognized as an important aspect of one's well-being, here is a perfect example of how the government is turning a deaf ear towards this pressing issue. In a country that is often termed as radicalized, unsafe, intolerant, unstable and war-driven, a section of the society screams for proper medical help, a picture often missed by mainstream media.